Hey guys, Will Larams here at Marc School of Woodworking. It's Tool Time Tuesday, and today we're going to discuss calipers. So I am turning some back legs for a shaker rocking chair course that Doug Dale and I are teaching. We have the shaker rocker right here, and I use these to help size my dimensions. So aiding with a story stick, I'm able to lay out those dimensions and then cut down to my measurement using a parting tool. These would be your traditional calipers, engineer calipers. These would be digital calipers or vernier calipers. And you can lock down your dimensions on these, and so these give you a little bit more accuracy. One thing that I've done to all of our calipers here is round them off, because I will actually be running the lathe and using these, and I don't want those sharp points to dig into the wood. If you're interested in learning more about turning furniture pieces or duplication, you can come to the Marc School of Woodworking and take a turning class with me and our fantastic instructors.